Iran's military drone program has emerged as a force to be reckoned with. Facing international sanctions and arms embargoes, Iran turned inwards. They focused on developing indigenous technologies. The result? A surprisingly capable and cost-effective drone force. These drones are not mere imitations. They boast impressive capabilities. Long-range flight allows them to operate far from Iranian airspace. Loitering capabilities enable persistent surveillance over targets. Some models even incorporate stealth features, making them difficult to detect and intercept. This combination of features poses a significant challenge to adversaries. This homegrown drone program provides Iran with a strategic advantage. It reduces reliance on foreign suppliers, mitigating the impact of sanctions. The lower production costs allow for larger-scale deployment. This has significant implications for regional stability and the balance of power. Iran's drone program extends beyond its borders. Tehran has actively proliferated its drone technology. Allies and proxies across the region have benefited. Hezbollah in Lebanon, Houthi rebels in Yemen, and various militias in Iraq and Syria have all received Iranian drones. This proliferation of Iranian drones has far-reaching consequences. It expands Iran's operational reach, projecting power across the Middle East. It allows Iran to strike at adversaries and project force without risking direct confrontation. This has destabilized the region and fueled tensions with Western powers. The transfer of drone technology goes beyond simply supplying equipment. It involves training and support, enabling these groups to effectively operate and maintain these systems. This empowers them in their conflicts, shifting the balance of power on the ground. Despite its successes, Iran's drone program is not without weaknesses. Reliance on foreign components remains a vulnerability. While Iran strives for self-sufficiency, sourcing certain critical technologies remains a challenge. This dependence on external suppliers creates a potential point of weakness. Technological gaps also persist. While Iran has made strides in drone development, it still lags behind leading nations in certain areas. Electronic warfare resistance and sensor sophistication are areas where Iranian drones may fall short. This technological gap makes them susceptible to advanced countermeasures. Moreover, while Iranian drones have proven effective in certain conflicts, they have also shown vulnerabilities. Advanced electronic warfare systems and anti-drone technologies can effectively neutralize them. As adversaries adapt and develop countermeasures, Iran's drones may face increasing challenges. Iran's drone program has not emerged in a vacuum. It exists in a world where drone technology is rapidly advancing. The United States, Turkey, and China all field sophisticated drone arsenals. Each country presents a different challenge to Iran. The United States maintains its lead with highly advanced systems like the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-4 Global Hawk. These drones boast superior range, payload capacity, and sensor capabilities. They are also deeply integrated into America's network-centric warfare doctrine. Turkey has emerged as a major drone power with its Bayraktar TB2. This combat-proven drone has gained international recognition for its effectiveness and affordability. Unlike Iran, Turkey faces fewer export restrictions, allowing it to market its drones more widely. China, with its vast industrial base and technological prowess, presents a different challenge. Chinese drones, such as the Winglong series, are becoming increasingly sophisticated and competitive. China's entry into the global drone market has significant implications for Iran. Recent events have highlighted the growing importance of Iran's drone program. In January 2024, a drone attack in Jordan killed 3 U.S. soldiers and wounded dozens. This attack, attributed to Iranian-backed groups, demonstrated the lethal potential of these weapons and their ability to strike at the heart of American interests. The legal ramifications of Iran's drone program have also come into focus. In December 2024, 2 individuals were charged with illegally exporting U.S. technology to Iran, allegedly used in the Jordan attack. This case highlights the ongoing challenges of preventing sensitive technologies from reaching Iran. The trial of an Iranian-born engineer in the United States in May 2025 further underscores these concerns. The engineer, accused of involvement in the Jordan drone strike, was denied bail. This case illustrates the serious legal risks associated with supporting Iran's drone program. Iran's drone program has come a long way. It has evolved from a fledgling effort to a potent force with regional and global implications. While facing technological challenges and legal scrutiny, Iran's drones remain a potent symbol of the country's technological ambitions and its determination to assert itself on the world stage.